how to turn off weekly screen time update option on your TikTok. Hello guys, how it's going today? I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, open TikTok, and then when your TikTok is opening, go on your profile, click on it on your profile, then go to this three line at the top of the screen, then go to settings and privacy, and then guys go to screen time, and then turn off this option, weekly screen time updates. Turn off it by clicking here and make it look like this. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.